It's a plane,
It is a plane. It has wings and an engine.
and I really like the what's the shark?
Shark's
Is
mouth.
it shark? The shark's mouth?
Yeah, it's like a shark's mouth. The Americans started putting them on their fighters. You're getting 2 in the box with different variations of shark's mouth. This was over in China. The Flying Tigers. This game.
The frying.
I'll get Kawa to say Flying Tigers because it's Chinese, because we can't say it really at all.
It would be inappropriate of many levels.
Wrong one. Seamless. Here we have another scheme.
Can you put us in the box? I like it when we're in the corner.
Don't put baby in the corner.
Oh, the top corner. That's a bit weird. There we go. Stop it.
There we go.
So you get 2 schemes. 3 schemes.
3 schemes.
So you get this one on the front with the shark's mouth.
Yep.
Right? And then you get these 2 schemes of the Flying Tiger.
Another one. This is probably Burmese, I presume, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm not too familiar on this scheme, but this is a Lend-Lease Soviet scheme. So Soviets stole all of these aircraft after the Second World War. They just said,
where'd they steal them from?
Up you, America. That's what they said. Up you, divide, get out of here. We're keeping all of your aircraft and we're going to steal all of your designs. We are now mortal enemies. We're not paying you back for these aircraft. So America were like, and Britain were like, let's help these guys fight off the Germans.
Yep.
We're going to give them a heap of tanks and a heap of planes.
Yep.
Use them. Lend-lease. They have to give them back at the end. They went, no, we're not giving back to you. And they kept them like the
So they did
scoundrels.
not give them back.
No.
What am I looking at here? The flak pack.
You're a bit fuzzy there.
What have I got? What am I looking at?
This is just advertising.
The Black Panther. Not interested.
No, this is some instructions.
Oh, you do love a good. This is nice. I like the way it's bound.
On the side.
Yeah.
It's bound exceptionally well. It's knotted.
Well, it's stapled.
And you get your color scheme. Oh, 4 schemes. There you go. There's another one in there as well.
You gave me false information.
So that's your Flying Tigers. This is the unknown serial number of the 9th Fighter Squadron, the 49th Fighter Group of the 5th Air Force of the USAF. The serial number is unknown, but it has some crazy nose art on it. And then also
is that just one plane, or is that like a squadron of like 135?
Probably heaps. I mean, the Fighter Squadron had was a smaller group. The Fighter Group was a larger group.
Yep.
Of like multiple fighter squadrons, and then the Air Force consisted of a bunch of fighter groups.
I met a real life pilot yesterday.
What was his name?
Buzz. He had a Tomcat. He had a Tomcat jacket.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Yeah. He was pretty cool. He worked.
And you had to serve 11 years
with all the nupties, with all the Navy nupties, the seamen.
He didn't say that. You said that. He had to serve 11 years to get that jacket.
I can go buy one from the Vic Market. Thank you very much.
Disrespect his jacket. Radio.
Disrespectful.
Tell me about the instructions. What are we buying? What are we getting into?
You're buying a nice model.
Who makes it?
Trumpeter.
And why is it? It says.
Oh, you're getting 5 schemes in the box.
I was looking for Australian markings, but it just says used in Australian military service.
Yeah, so you're probably going to get in the very bottom of the kit.
Well, hang on. I'm looking at the instructions. Talk me through it. Ejector seats. Did they have them?
No. You had to flip the plane upside down and jump out.
Really?
Yeah, and fall out, and God hope your parachute opens.
Was that what they did?
Yeah. Yeah, they climbed out on the wing and jumped off.
Really?
Yep, they just slid the canopy back and jumped out.
There you go.
There you go.
I like it.
Getting some photo etch in this kit.
It's
moving together really quickly. So
comes upside down. Why would you build it upside down? Is it just spin up to put the wheels on?
Well, that's what happens.
Are they rubber wheels?
I think they are, actually.
Oh, I love rubber wheels.
I hate rubber wheels.
Why?
Just cast them in resin.
Why?
And then there you got those. Go to the bottom of the box. Go all the way to the... Oh,
I'm not allowed.
Oh, there it is.
What?
No, fuck. This one. Oh,
what one? Show me.
This one. Australians, all let us rejoice, for there's a photo of the plane.
That was the pilot I met yesterday, I think.
Yeah, this is him flying the Kitty Hawk. not the Tomcat, the other cat, the Kitty Hawk. So there you go. That's your 6th scheme.
6th scheme.
A29 142. So this is the 29th aircraft of the Royal Australian Air Force, and it is number 142 of that type.
There you go.
There you go. And it's in a very unique scheme, tricolor scheme. Number 10. On
How
there,
many Kobe's out of 10 Kobe's does this kit get?
12.
You like it that much?
No. I'd rather
Well-
build the Hasegawa one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it does come with photo etch.
It does. The Hasegawa one doesn't, but I like the simplicity of Hasegawa. This one is great if you want everything in the box. I like to add parts and stuff to my models, so I'm going to.
So you like the simplicity of a model and then complicate it with
Yeah.
add-ons.
Yeah, I like the challenge of making it look better outside of what I get. Unless it's to me, I just want
But then
something
how
to
do you
build.
enter out of the box at Model Expo?
Because I had to build some of them out of the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the shot.
That would have been boring.
Boring as.
Was
I
it?
was ready to rip my hair out. No, it was nice. The Hotchkiss was good. It was a nice little cheap.
Good kit.
Cheap.
You didn't even paint it.
I-
And you got a second at show. That was like her first ever go with the airbrush.
Yeah, but I covered up all the mistakes, mind you. She only